The Constitution of India. Part 5, The Union. Chapter 2, Parliament. Procedure in Financial Matters. Article 114. Appropriation Bills. 1. As soon as may be, after the grants under Article 113 have been made, by the House of the People, there shall be introduced a bill, to provide for the appropriation out of the Consolidated Fund of India, of all monies required to meet, a. the grants so made by the House of the People, and b. the expenditure charged on the Consolidated Fund of India, but, not exceeding in any case, the amount shown in the statement previously laid before Parliament. 2. No amendment shall be proposed to any such bill, in either House of Parliament, which will have the effect of varying the amount, or altering the destination of any grant so made, or of varying the amount of any expenditure charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. And, the decision of the person presiding, as to whether an amendment is inadmissible under this clause, shall be final. 3. Subject to the provisions of Articles 115 and 116, no money shall be withdrawn from the Consolidated Fund of India, except under appropriation made by law, passed in accordance with the provisions of this article.